Please give us a brief introduction.
Myself, Rohan Kumar Parida. I belong to Cuttack, Odisha, and I have done my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya ARC campus, Charvatia. After that, I have done my graduation in BSc Forestry from Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. Thereafter, I did my master's degree in Forest Research Institute, and currently I am working as a quality inspector in one organization named QIMA.
Okay. So, as I can see from your CIF that you have done your 10th standard from Kendra Vidyalaya,
Yes, sir.
and also 12th from Kendra Vidyalaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. What is its motto? And if you know about some statistics currently, how many KVs are there in India or all over the world and in Odisha also?
Sir, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, like it's established in 1963, and there are around 5 Kendra Vidyalayas in abroad, and like sub the in India, I am not like sure how many KVs are there, and like its motto, its logo is a Ashok Chakra, which sympathizes the unity among the students.
Are you very sure it is Ashok Chakra or is it is a um, Deepika or a lamp or something like that? No. What
Sir,
is written at the bottom of it? Something is written in Sanskrit. What is that?
uh, I don't remember, sir. That.
Okay, just go through that part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Suppose the government wants to rename
Yes, sir.
OUAT in the name of some eminent scientist who has contributed to agriculture
Yes, sir.
or forestry. Whose name will you propose or suggest? It would be better if the person is from Odisha.
So, like uh, anyone from Odisha, any prominent person.
Huh. Prominent person, not from other domains, from agriculture and forestry. Do you know who is known as the Swaminathan of Odisha? A very prominent agricultural scientist
Yes, sir.
who has who
MS Swaminathan.
no MS Swaminathan we all know.
Yes, sir.
That person who I'm talking about is an agricultural scientist from Odisha.
Yes,
He
sir.
has received lot of international accolades also. He is known as the Swaminathan of Odisha.
It is, sorry, sir, I'm not aware of that.
Okay, you can go through that.
Yes, sir.
Who are the eminent people, agricultural scientists in Odisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, you did your post graduation.
Master, yes, sir.
So, how many years you stayed?
Sir, it's a 2-year program, and I have done a master's in specialization in wood science and technology.
Wood Science Center.
Yes, sir.
So let us then go to that part. Wood. What are the general defects? Okay, as would scientist or a specialist in the quality of wood.
Yes, sir.
What are the general defects that you find in wood? And suppose you have those defects, what are you going to do? Especially in commercial cases where rejecting the entire log won't be commercially feasible.
Yes, sir.
So what are the solutions that you generally what are the solutions you use generally?
Such generally the main defects which is seen in the woods, like the wood knots, knots are of two type. The dead knot is as is considered as a defect, and other defects like the cupping of the wood, like the shape changes, its shrink and swell according to the moisture. And in commercial purpose, we generally control by the mechanism of wood seasoning, where we use a kiln season to dry the wood to a moisture content. We kept it up to 8 to 12%, which is generally acceptable, ideal for a commercial purpose. And other one is preservation of wood to protect it from in protect it from any insect or borers which may affect. And in the preservation, we use this boric acid to just penetrate in the wood and to preserve it.
Okay.
Yes,
So suppose we have to make a forest bridge. You have
yes,
studied about forest bridges, timber bridges, which are used in forests. Okay.
yes, sir.
So what are the types of timber bridges that you know, which you have studied?
Uh, so the timber bridges, one is this bamboo bridge, and the other one is that artificial bridges which are made from this wood, which are more durable.
Okay. What do you mean by composite wood?
Sir, composite wood are the products which are derived from this wood, and for example, like this plywood, particle board, fiber board. These are also referred as this composite wood.
So you have been working in your own domain for
Yes, sir.
last let's say 3 years, right? 2022 to 25, 3 4 years you have been working. Give me some good reasons why you are interested to join Odisha Forest Service, since you're working in the private sector, and what I assume is that the current salary will be uh, more than what you would be getting as assistant conservator of forest or as a ranger. You give
Yes.
me some good reasons why you are interested in joining Odisha Forest Service.
Um, Sir, firstly, I am like more passionate about this environment and this forestry sector. Secondly, my whole education is just inclined towards this sector. And if I join this forest service, I will get a platform to just implement all my knowledge and skill, whatever I have learned off field or on field, and I can implement more based on my experience. That's why I think I chose forest service.
Okay. Right. So, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are hiking and playing table tennis.
Playing table tennis. What is the dimension of the table tennis board for singles and for doubles?
Sir, the dimension is the length of that table is around 2.5 meter, and width is 1.5 meter, and that height is around 76 centimeter.
Okay, and that is same for
Yes, sir, it's
singles
same
and
for
doubles.
single and double.
Okay. So currently, who is the singles world champion in table tennis?
Uh, Sir, I can't remember the name of that person, but what I know is he's from China.
Okay, and India and Odisha, who are the main table tennis singles players?
Sir, in India, in girls, it's Miss Manika Batra, and in boys, it's Sarat Kamal, and they both have been also awarded with the Major Dhyanchandani Award. And in Odisha, uh, the person I know is Mr. Satyajit Mohanty. He has only represented national game in table tennis, but not any international game.
Why table tennis is not that popular, and why are we, the world level we are not a force. Um, what are the reasons? What do you think?
Uh, s-
Why Chinese and other such teams are more you know there in the top ranks? What is the
Sir,
reason?
firstly, the main difference is that infrastructure in Chinese, when that kid is around 5 years, they have been trained to this indoor sports and activities. They have that infrastructure, this government support and facilities and coaches. And in India, actually, we are not given that facilities in more diverse game like this table tennis, swimming, or any other game. And mainly the reason is this infrastructure and this funding and better coaches.
Mhm. So if you are given the opportunity to make it better, what steps will you take so that we will get good results from table tennis as well?
Sir, if I get a chance, then I will first develop a good system, like the facilities which we can provide for this table tennis, proper equipment, and the main thing is one a proper coach who has have a better experience in this field before, and the training academies I can open more, and that awareness in the schools, like for these sports and what are the importance of these sports, how it can develop to their mental fitness and goal, which I can make them aware.
Okay. Then hiking is your other hobby.
Yes, sir.
So what are the benefits of hiking which you can use in your career in forest service?
Sir, actually hiking helps to connect with the nature more, and in hiking we have to take a uh, decision making power should be very much strong in hiking, like and about this teamwork and this leadership quality which we can develop. And hiking also make us understand about that importance of nature, human wildlife conflict, and that sustainability practices which should be maintained in the forest.
Okay. So you have studied about various forest maps, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Forestry course. Um, what are the types of maps that you have studied?
uh, so the topographic map and the soil map I have studied, and this forest management map.
So what in the topographic map? What do you mean by spot height? Spot height.
Spot height.
Spot height.
uh, Sorry, sir, I can't recall now.
Spot height means elevation at a given point.
Okay, sir.
So in that topographic map, how are you finding the particular position of a point? Have you heard about the terms or the concepts of four-figure and six-figure grid references?
No, sir, but I what I know is we can measure the distance through forest survey, like inventories.
Right from the topo sheet also, suppose you will say that there is a timber bridge at
Yes, sir.
Harding and Easting 165 or 231. Okay, so from there also exact spot you can find out.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
using the six-figure grid reference. Okay, fine. In maps, you have heard a term called representative fraction (RF). Can you tell me what is this representative fraction?
No, sir, I don't recall it now.
Okay, okay, that is fine. So you're talking about surveying. What are the common methods of surveying,
So
types of
the
surveys that you know?
common type of survey are this plain table survey, this ocular method, and this topographic level transverse line method.
What what is what are the characteristics of a chain survey, and when basically you use this type of survey?
So the chain survey, they are like this, like Guntur chain, and they like they are used to measure that elevation of a point. If it is a rock topography, also we can measure it by chain survey by placing two range rods in 2 point, and in between that we can measure by chain.
Okay. Um, Suppose you have to survey large forest land in
Yes, sir.
hundreds of acres.
Yes, sir.
Which survey technique would be the most efficient, most accurate, and most cost effective?
Mm, So if I have to survey large area, then this um, uh, block method survey will be a good method. Like we a compartment method, like we can divide that area into small compartments, and in that compartment we do the survey of different compartment.
Okay. Can you use remote sensing or GIS
Yes, sir.
for this?
GIS survey, like satellite mapping technique we can use for the survey methods.
So GIS, what are the softwares that you know, or GIS packages that you know, which are quite famous and which you have used or at least you know of? Can you tell me one or two? One proprietary and one open source you can tell me.
No, sir, I'm not aware of that now.
Have you heard about ARC GIS?
Yes, sir, I have heard like ArcGIS and Moody's MODIS for this fire.
Yeah, that is the world's biggest proprietary GIS system, and our government also uses it, and others also use it. But that is not open source, right? We
Yes, sir.
have also have open source software,
Okay, sir.
but the functionalities are not that great like ARC. Okay,
Yes, sir.
uh, this what we used to call underdeveloped countries and all.
Yes.
Generally, they use those things. Okay, that is.
Okay, sir.
Acha, what are the components of a GIS system, or ingredients or elements of a GIS system?
So, like, may I know on what basis, like in
Just the composition of a GIS system. Like we were talking about ArcGIS and all. So this is basically the software part.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then there has to be some hardware also. Then there has to be some other components which will integrate the software and hardware. That is what I'm asking.
Okay, sir.
So what is a raster?
Uh,
RASTER.
no, sir, I'm not aware of that.
Your other optional is agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, in agriculture, now you know about crop rotation, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the relation between soil fertility and crop rotation?
Sir, soil fertility and this crop rotation, like they are inversely proportional to each other. As like what I mean to say is that if we grow a single species, single crop for a longer period, then its soil fertility will decrease. And if we rotate that crop, first season we use wheat, then after that we use sorghum, then this soil fertility will like increase. Like both like some crop which have this nitrogen fixing activity, we can use it after a crop which don't have this facility, so that it just rotate the nutrient fertility of soil.
Okay. So you know about integrated farming mechanism, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about it.
Sir, integrated farming mechanism is a system where we use a different method in collaboration with each other. Like that modern technology, mechanized machines we used in farm management, and along with this integrated pest management system, all this combined to a like integrated farming system.
What is stopping our farmers from adopting integrated farming? They are only still concentrating on field crops.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Animal husbandry and your horticulture still not very, they have not somehow they have not been able to accept it. What is the reason and what steps should be taken to popularize integrated farming mechanism so that we can double farmers' income?
Sir, actually, main reason for them to not accept the integrated farming system is the awareness and that importance of that method. Like we can make them aware by demonstrating for this integrated farming system, and we can make them aware that it can give you a double income. Like not for only one crop. If for this we can make them understand about that weather and climatic condition. If they are affected for one crop, then they can shift to other this field also, like in livestock, and like diverse method we can suggest them.
Okay. So you know about Operation Sindhu.
Yes, sir.
Give me three things that India could have done better.
um,
Three things that India could have done better during or after Operation Sindhu.
Sir, the first reason it can be India should have taken an immediate action from the point of this happening in Pelgam.
Mhm.
Sir, and other method which can be like I cannot recall now, sir.
What is Operation Mahadev, which is connected with it?
Operation Mahadev,
Yes,
not aware, sir.
connected or that is the uh, terrorists who were involved in the Pahalgam attack. They were neutralized recently by the government in
Yes,
the
sir.
forest near Srinagar.
Yes, sir.
That happened in the Mahadev Hill region. So
Okay,
that
sir.
was called Operation.
Okay.
Okay. Um, Recently, the President of United States has imposed some tariffs on India. What
Yes,
is
sir.
the percentage? What is the percentage he has imposed on India?
Sir, as per my knowledge, they have imposed around this 20 to 25% as in my field where I am working. I only know about that metal parts. They have imposed a tariff of around 20% in the metal product which is being imported from India.
Yeah, overall 25%, yeah, and 20 to 25% like you have said. But there are two major categories which they have completely exempted. No tariffs at all. Can you tell me which are they?
No, sir.
One is generic drugs and the other one is electronics.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these two they have because they depend on that. Depend. So anyway,
Okay, sir.
um, recently you have uh, seen and read about the war in Israel between Israel and Iran.
Yes, sir.
What is your opinion regarding our foreign policy? Do you agree with India's foreign policy during that time, during that on that particular issue, Iran and Israel war? Or do you think that we should have been more proactive and we should have supported either Iran or we should have supported Israel?
Yes, sir. Sir, like currently India's foreign policy is like more a diplomatic way. They just accept to be neutralized in any scenario. And our Indian foreign policy is like connected with many countries and have a better relation with other countries also. So they chose to be a neutralized option for this war. Like they are not directly supporting any of these countries.
What is your opinion regarding Israel's action in Gaza and other parts of Palestine, that they are going after the terrorists, Hamas and all,
Yes, sir.
but they don't take into consideration the collateral damage? For example, if the terrorists are hiding in a hospital, they will blow up the hospital. Okay, so even if there are 10 terrorists will be killed. Along with the 10 terrorists, 200, 300, 500 innocent will also be killed. If,
Yes, sir.
in the sense, the innocent in the sense that they are not direct combatants. Okay. What is your opinion regarding this? That since Israel is a major ally and a good friend of India, so do you think that India, should sometimes tell Israel that we support you in principle, but these things which you are doing, that you need to find some other way. Otherwise, the common people are also being killed.
Yes, sir. Actually, Israel is a more like dynamic in their decision making, and they just uh, very much like strong infrastructure and this military power. And India should also uh, tell Israel about only the war specific areas they should only focus, not the public, like not the civil areas. That it is also damage to the mankind and humankind, and it's not good for the society also. Like it will create a negative impact on other countries, and it will create a more devastating effect.
But, suppose you are not selected
Yes, sir.
this time, what are you going to do? What will be your next course of action? Already are in a service, so suppose, God forbid, this time you are unable to clear. What are you going to do?
uh, Sir, if I don't get a chance in this service, then I will uh, be prepared for the for the next term of the exam, and in between that I will just continue in this private sector, uh, and will prepare accordingly.
Okay, fine. So that will be the end of the interview. Now,
Yes,
the assessment. Tikaji, you are very balanced in the answering, and also opinion based questions you are answering in points. ସେଇଟା
yes,
ଟିକେ ପୁରା ensure କରିବେ that any type of opinion based question you answer in points.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
firstly, secondly, thirdly, or first reason, second reason, third reason, because those are the questions which will fetch you the mark. Factual questions रहते mark not है. Suppose they'll ask you, so you are in Jaipur now, right?
Yes,
Rajasthan. So they'll ask you how many districts are there in Rajasthan. You are unable to say.
yes, sir.
Fine, not an issue. Okay, they'll ask you about some specific culture or specific thing of Rajasthan. You are not able to say. That is also accepted. But if they ask you what is your opinion regarding this and that, that when you're saying that I'm unable to answer, there the problem will come. So opinion-based questions will give you most of the marks.
Yes, sir.
So that is fine. Okay, that is more or less it is. Uh, what improvement you have to do? So suppose so that in many places you told, if you do not know something, just say that very clearly. No guessing, no bluffing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So out of 200 for this interview, I'll be giving you 140. You
Okay, sir.
try to push it around 160. Okay.
Yes.
So next interview, we will concentrate on your optionals and current affairs.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Sir,